Well, welcome back to Channel On. I'm going to show you how to divert this light down very cheaply. So we're going to take this light and turn it into this. So all I have done is I've taken a plate from the dollar store and I've cut a hole in it and I've put it in the light socket itself, the old porcelain fixture. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, there's not a whole lot to this. All you got to do is go to the dollar store and pick yourself up some plastic plates. You can use the paper, but the plastic will last a little bit longer. And all that's going to do is going to deflect the light downward. That's simple. So just take an 1.8" hole saw, find the center, and make sure you put yourself a piece of wood down there, a sacrificial piece of wood so you don't go into your table. And go a little slow because it is plastic and it may tend to crack. There you go. And now what we can do is we can take that and put it right up on our porcelain fixture. Just go to your porcelain fixture, or in this case this one's plastic. These are very popular in garages and basements. Go ahead and unscrew the little cap here. This basically is what holds it all together. Take your new plate, your reflector, put it in there like that. And voila! Now it's diverting all that light downward. So this is a great thing to do in basements, in garages, and it doesn't cost you really anything. I think I got 4 of these plates for $1 at the dollar store. So, well, there it is. Really nice little trick. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.